Assalamu alaikum viewers, let's to learn what is the difference between the mixed methodology research design and multi-method research design. Sometimes the researcher will become confused, either he is using the mixed methodology research design or multi-method research design for the research project or research work. Let's to clear the concept first of all about the mixed methodology research design. In the mixed methodology research design, the researcher will use the both paradigm of the data collection, the quantitative and the qualitative methodology design methods. The half of the portion the researcher conduct the study in the quantitative way, and the half of the portion the study conducted by the researcher in the qualitative way. So he used the both paradigm quantitative and qualitative. While on the other side, in the multiple method research design, the researcher conduct the one paradigm of the research study design, but he collect the data by using the two or more than two types of the data collection in the one paradigm, either in the quantitative way or in the qualitative way. Let's to clear the concept by using an example. Suppose a researcher wants to assess the impact of the childbirth experiences among the postpartum depression women. So if the researcher wants to conduct this study with the mixed methodology, so what the researcher do, first of all, he conduct the survey by using the depression scale to find out the magnitude of the postpartum depression among the childbirth women. Now in the second part, to assess the experiences or the feeling of the postpartum depression of the woman by using the IDI or focus group discussion. So in this research study design, the researcher used the both way of the data collection, the quantitative and the qualitative. While on the multi-method research study design, by using an example, if any researcher wants to assess the factor which is affecting all the API coverage in the under the 5 year of the children's, if he conduct this study in the multi-method research study design but in the quantitative paradigm, so what's the researcher do? First of all, he conduct the survey about the to assess the multiple factor which is affecting on the API coverage. In the second part, he collect the data, he used the secondary data for the data analysis, which is he collected from the different type of the healthcare center to analyze the data. If the same study or to assess the factor which is affecting on the API coverage under the 5 year the children's in the qualitative paradigm, so what's he do? The first, he collect the data from the women of the under 5 year of the children by the IDIs, and the second part again he conduct the data from using the focus group discussion. So the both way for the data collection used in the multiple method research design, the both type of the data collection either in the quantitative or in the qualitative. Let's to summarize the mixed method design or multiple method research design. In the data types in the mixed method, it is the half of the portion is used for the data collection is the qualitative, and the half of the portion used the quantitative methodology or the types of the data collection, the survey and the IDIs. While in the multi-method, the researcher use either qualitative or quantitative paradigm for data collection types for data collection. Either you use IDI and focus group discussion, or maybe he use the survey and the secondary data analysis. The integration, yes, the integration will be present in the mixed methodology between the both of the type of the data, quantitative and qualitative data, in which the researcher integrate the both the data to come up with the concrete result to explore the phenomena. While in the multi-method approach, no integration will be present in the multi-method study design. The purpose, what is the purpose of mixed method research? It will be deep, comprehensive. It will be deep and comprehensive understanding about the phenomena. In the mixed methodology, the researcher will be understand about the deep understanding about the phenomena, while in the multi-method approach, the researcher will be the broader validation of the phenomena in one way of data analysis, either in quantitative or the qualitative. The complexity in the mixed methodology, it will be very higher, because the researcher will use the two way of the data collection and analysis. So that's why the complexity in the mixed methodology is quite much higher as compared of the multi-method. In the multi-method is the moderate complexity are present, because why the multi-method approach, the researcher will be use the one paradigm, either he use the quantitative or qualitative approach for the data collection or the data analysis. The example is, suppose as I earlier explained with you, that the first part he conduct the survey to collect the magnitude of the postpartum depression among the childbirth women, and the second part he assess the feeling and emotions the woman which has been gone through from the childbirth experience or the postpartum depression. The second part is he conduct the IDIs and depth interviews about the experiences from those women who have been come across through the postpartum depression. And in the multi-method approach, the researcher conduct the first part is in the survey, and the second part he collect the data from the secondary data for the analysis. Or maybe the first part, the researcher, if he use the one paradigm, either he use the quantitative approach. So the first part he conduct the survey, and the second part he analyze the secondary data. If he use the approach of the qualitative method design in the multi-method, the first part he collect the data by the IDI, the second part by the focus group discussion. So in the today lecture, it is clear your concept about the difference between the mixed methodology research design and multi-method research design. For such type of the informative lecture, remain in touch with the HPH YouTube channel. And the last, I request you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get the new lecture as soon as I upload on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.